Now let's see what we can do with steaks on the new Denali 605 Pro by Monument Grills. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. Check this out. All right, in this one, we're going to use the new Monument Denali to do some steaks. I've got a couple of great ribeyes, and we're going to reverse sear these steaks on this grill. I'm going to cook them on indirect heat until they get to within about 20 degrees of my target temperature. Then we're going to slap them on this sear burner over here. We're going to use the 2 probes that the grill came with to monitor our steak temperature. Using a smart grill like this with probes helps you make perfect steaks or anything anytime you want. If you want consistent, repeatable results with your grilling, use a temperature probe. I'm gonna fire this up with just the outside 4 burners on first. There we go. We're gonna put the steaks in the middle here on indirect heat. Let them go ahead and warm up some. All right, we got the grill preheated to a little over 200 degrees. And we're gonna put these over a cooler side of the grill, a little bit away from the heat source. Just basically, we want to slow cook these things so they'll cook the same all the way through. Now we're going to use the probes they came with to monitor this cook right into the center of that meat. And I do not want to route those cables right over that burner. Now we're going to use those probes that came with the Monument Denali to monitor the meat temperature till we get to within about 15 degrees of our target temp. Then we're going to slap them on that sear burner to finish them off. All right, these steaks are close enough to my target temperature to where we're going to go ahead and get them on the sear burner. And of course the wind is howling tonight. We're going to go ahead and get these probes out of here. They're in a safe place for now. I'm going to sear these one at a time right on this screaming hot sear burner. Check this out. Look at that right there. Woo, dog. That's what it's supposed to look like. And while that's searing over there, we got a couple shrimp to top this thing off with. I'm gonna put those right on top of that infrared burner right there. And we just need a quick sear on this one, so it's not even 30 seconds on each side, just to sear that steak. That is looking fantastic. It might not look like it, but we're letting those steaks rest on the side of the grill that's cool while we get the shrimp done to slap on top. That infrared burner is perfect for things just like this. And this only takes a couple of minutes on that infrared, and this is ready to go. A little surf and turf action right there. Look at that. Now look at that right there. If that's not perfection, I don't know what is. Perfectly reverse seared steak with a little shrimp cooked over the infrared to close it out with a little surf and turf. And don't forget, as usual, there's links to everything in the description below. So if you have a big family or like to entertain, the Denali 605 from Monument Grills is probably the gas grill for you. Give me that thumbs up like button if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon to turn on notifications so you don't miss videos like this one when they come out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you want, whoops. All good.